What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. If you're watching this, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. But maybe while you're sitting there digesting your turkey, you'll get to enjoy all the badassery that we got going on at the shop. And we actually got more, which we're gonna get into all that too. But first and foremost, we gotta talk about the Viper Fox. All right, guys, so we're going to be saying goodbye very shortly to the Viper Fox. Check it out. The interior is basically done. Everything's all back together. As you can see, you got the Silver Sport T56 Magnum in there. Oh, the shifter feels good. So yes, we will be driving this bad boy very, very soon. I know you guys, if you've been watching for a while, you've never seen it like this. It's pretty much ready. We got Steve's Fab Shop coming over. He's gonna finish up the exhaust. Let's see, got to finish bleeding the clutch. Brakes are bled. We're gonna get all the fluids up, all the temperatures up, make sure we got all the air out of the cooling system, and yeah, we're gonna drive it and say goodbye. Kind of crazy. Seriously, it's crazy because this car has been here so long, and it's kind of went through so many different transformations while we were doing the build. Not only that, but you know, all the work Dover put into hiding all the air conditioning and stuff. If you look at my car, guys, you got all the air conditioning stuff kind of right here cluttering stuff up. All the air is hidden, totally hidden. Like, so essentially what he did is piece together all these lines from different cars to make all this work. And once the fender's on, you won't see any of it. It's crazy. So that is the what, guys. Basically, like I said, just a few details left. Drive her down the road and load it up, send it back to Jennings. But we got all kinds of stuff going on Boomer's car. Shimmy. Woo, yes. So, guys, if you caught the last video, you know he got some man wheels for the front, and there was no way Dover was putting the stock brakes behind the man wheels. Yeah, so you basically ordered him to. Yeah, you can see the other side. Yeah, let's show the other side. Nice. So he's got these old crusty stock brakes, and of course these, you know, gorgeous weld magnums, forged magnums. And we're like, yeah, that's not gonna work. So Dover basically said you need to do something a little better. So he did. Yeah. Whew, those are pretty.
Front and rear.
Front and rear. Dual or 4-piston calipers. You see the rotors, guys. I mean, just like, yeah.
A lot less rotating mass, sir.
Lots of less. And then, of course, sticking through and have that beautiful billet. It's a budget build, guys. It's a budget build. Now, seriously, though, it's going to be a super nice upgrade for the car. And we're about to get the get one side on so you can see the difference. But these are amazing. How much are these kits?
I'm not sure.
I'll throw
got here from Vincent Performance, so
okay.
You can go there and check them out.
Yeah, I mean, this is serious stuff, guys. I mean, this isn't something you're just gonna.
You can't count on just a parachute to stop.
Right, which we need to get into that. I don't think we've even shown that yet, but ooh, I need some of those for my car. Quick things that have happened since you last saw Boomer's car. Got the Treadstone intercooler mounted up. A lot of the cold side, guys. I'm telling you guys, this thing is just. It's amazing. And then you can see how big this intercooler is. But this kit fits really good. I mean, it's a nice.
Some big holes everywhere. But
yeah. So we got to make
hole here for this pipe.
So it's going to make a right angle here.
Yeah. See, here's the pipe for that.
Okay. So there's the charge pipe.
The hole there. Then we got to make a hole here for the filter and a hole here for the other pipe. See, it tucks to the body real nice.
Yeah, it does. I guess maybe in hindsight. Well, I mean, we still would have smoothed the engine bay, but
Could be accurate.
yeah. Yeah, just gotta roll with it. And you did clock the turbo, so it's a little.
Well, that's gonna be pointing straight down to go to this pipe here.
Okay.
So I can't turn it straight down, so I get a hold of it.
Gotcha. Okay, yeah, I see now what you're. Yeah. So the turbo's gonna be pointing straight down. Intercooler, obviously, and then just open this up. Probably put a turbo guard. It's not much room, but. And then of course the Mac Daddy Motion Raceworks oil separator. Looking good. But on the back side, boys, we're officially doing race car things. So I hope you guys are ready. Boom! We got race car stuff going on now. It's like, I mean,
Oh wow.
yes, boy. She got got the parachute on. That is too freaking cool. God, I love it. Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, this car, that's one reason I'm really excited about this one. We've done the supercharged, we've done the more streetable, manual trans, all that. This car is going to be a little different, automatic, turbo. So I hope you guys are enjoying this, because this build, I know it is a Coyote swap, but there's so many things that are different from all the other ones that we've done out here. It's I'm loving this, and of course, and I'm telling you guys, I need one of these for my car. So Motion Raceworks, holler at me. I need one of these for my car. All right, guys, and also Boomer picked up full spool. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, he's not messing around. 35 spline spool. Man, that's going to be crazy. Of course, yeah, 35 spline axles, and then there's all your fuel system, rest of the fuel system in there, and then this is the tank over here. Is this a triple, or is that's triple, isn't it?
I think it was, no, it's a dual, so it's got two.
Yes, okay, yeah. Yeah, but it's got dual somethings, 5 somethings, I think.
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, there's the tank. So, I mean, it's coming together, and of course the rear end is over at Steve's Fab Shop. Whoo! I'm telling you, this one's going to be epic. If you have not seen the cage, I mean, this thing's done right. Got the control pack already in there, getting ready to be wired up. And the seats. It's going to be fun working around all this cage in the interior, because we got to get all this interior back in it. I mean, it was enough fun getting everything out, but now we got to work around a cage, so no pressure. All right, so we're about to mock up these brakes. And the cool thing is these are for a Fox spindle.
Yes.
So you don't have to, if you've still got the stock spindles or 4-lug, whatever, these literally bolt on the stock spindles. So we're about to mock them up. And guys, these things are pretty. I mean, they're freaking billet hub. I guess that's billet. Yeah. I mean, these things are, once you get them on, especially if you've got like a drag wheel up front, with that nice cup through the center. All right, boys, so we'll have to do a little cutting real quick. We're looking at how the brackets mount up. You can see that's where the caliper bracket mounts up. Rotor won't go on with those 2 ears, so chop those bad boys off, and we'll be able to mock these things up, see how pretty they look. There it is. Even more weight off.
Yeah.
All right, grind her down a little bit, and she'll be ready to rock.
Bottom's good, but the top ain't.
Still hit, yeah. I'll have to take some more off. Modifications. Here's another thing, guys. The mounting down there at the bottom, those holes get drilled and tapped, which I will say, there's no instructions with this kit whatsoever, so it'd be good information to have before you put it all together, but such as modifying cars, right? Oh yeah. Guys, they are just mocked up, but we just wanted to see how pretty they were. And yeah, that's pretty epic. Especially behind the Magnums. Oh yeah. I already see it.
Beautiful.
Yeah. That is the business right there, boys. If you notice, most of these front runners don't come with center caps. Mine didn't. And you got that billet strange cap coming through.
Got the race studs on here now.
Yeah. She ready. Gotta love shank stuff. Hate them. Yeah, that's freaking wicked. There's a lot of weight off that front too.
Yeah, we're gonna weigh them before we get done.
Stay tuned for that, guys. We are gonna weigh and just see exactly how much. Again, they're just mocked up. We just wanted to get a look at them. And then, of course, we got the rears too. But the rear end is at Steve's Fab Shop. And, guys, telling you, all kinds of badassery going on. But this Boomer's GT is going to be epic. And, of course, we'll have the first drive of Jennings' car very soon. That's going to be awesome. And when we take it down to drop it off, we may or may not be picking up something else from it. So, you don't ever know. Especially out here. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Everybody have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. Later.